Okay, so you said pain in the right side, right?
Yes.
Right in this area?
Yep.
From cleans. Yeah, it's a tough movement. It's a tough one here. So you can even feel, as I'm feeling both sides, you actually feel more inflammation and more increase in tone on this lower right paraspinal on the right. Would you say it's like on that bone there?
Yep, right on the right.
Right on the right hand side, yep, right in there. Okay. Which helps create a little suction effect, forcing nutrients and fluids into the discs. Right in here. Take the sacrum here, decompress, the little drop, open up that lower disc. That area gets a lot of tension. It's pretty vulnerable when you're doing cleans. Anything where you're leaning forward under tension. All right. So I'm going to raise the right hip up here. And we're going to get this right rib cage. Nice. Good. One more. Good. Good. So I'm going to rotate your body forward. You're not going to fall. Nice. So it's right on the right SI joint. I'm going to come in this spot here. Good. And forward just a bit. Nice. You're going to feel that right there. Do you feel that?
Yep.
Yep. C2 on the left. Let me get this one. Good. Just remember, let that head fall nice and heavy. Very nice. And a little bit lower on the right hand side. Very nice. Good. Perfect. I'm gonna come in here. I'm gonna do a shoulder. Where's it there? Hold here.
Oh. Press his lip ever so lightly.
Yeah. Hardly have to push on that one. Yeah, it's just ready. That was good. Move. I'm gonna do this one more time. Yep, that's good. Boom.